Hi, my name is Arvind Upadhyay, and I am the author of the more than 110 books related self-help, related personal success, financial success, wealth, and much more. If you want to become wealthy, rich, successful, achiever, and if you have your dreams, you must read my books, Arvind Upadhyay books. Search them and read them. Use them daily basis. Follow us on Instagram, and use our portfolio of the books to become the independent and successful every day. You know what the really cause to break the relationship is that misunderstanding. Now mostly I have seen, and I'm the author of a book called Passionate Relationship. So when we are passionate about any relationship, when we are excited to understanding each other, and we feel love, we feel truly attraction toward every one another, two people to each other, and when they feel attraction to each other, they feel the more love, they feel more joy and happiness when they together. The true relationship work on the foundation of the when two people support each other. What any situation, like it's a situation can be anything, but when two people support each other at that time, it's called the true relationship. At a relationship, you have to support each partner for everything, for their well-being, for their health, for their wealth, and for their success, for their happiness, and for their problem solving and everywhere. So the meaning is that you have to remember, in the relationship there is a two people, they support each other whatever the situation is. So whatever the situation, you have to support and be the happiness with each other at any level, at any situation, and that is the called the true relationship. And you have to stop your misunderstanding, because misunderstanding can be from anyone, and if you go there, your relationship is going to break or down on behalf of misunderstanding. So you focus on trust, respect, loyalty, and supporting to each other.